big stomach too. So big. Yeah, it's glad that I don't eat tanipa.
Yeah.
And he went on the other side there, underneath the bridge. Yeah, he'll come. He's full, so he probably had a feed. Oh wow. Alright. Ready? Get set.
Okay, what's this trick?
Adam, I just wanna go up. Quick, more quick.
Coming to say hi. Huh?
Adam's looking at you. You think I can see you hiding there?
It's down to its hole.
It's okay, I'm not touching you. I'm just videoing you, okay? Oh my gosh, there's another one, Adam.
Yeah, that's a big enough. I wonder how they got up there, really.
Oh my gosh, you're not gonna attack me, right? Adam, it's look
Oh, the
like...
other one. The other one.
I know. Where are you?
They fight me.
What's wrong, Pantel? What's the news? Oh my gosh, look at that. I hope it won't bite me.
Following you down.
Oh, it's following me, eh? Many things happening in here. This is me, guys. It's I don't know, maybe that's a power. Yeah, it's a power. Aray. Oh, that thing there. Pantel, I know that you are okay. We'll be fine. Remember two of them. What happened to the other one? This how long? See. It's nice to see these things like that in the wild, but you don't touch them. You don't touch them, guys. You just allow them to do what they want, you know. If you don't touch them, they will not touch you. You have to respect their habitat. It's not food, it's foot. Not food, foot. Came back. Hello. You are so old. Old and big. Look at that. So yeah, when like say guys, see? With okay, so what I'm gonna name you? Huh? I'm just gonna think what I'm gonna name you. Okay. I'm gonna name you as Tani. Hello, Tani. I don't scare it. You might have a nightmare. See, this is their home, so they can do whatever they want. Okay, I name you Tani. Where is your girlfriend? Guys, I just want to come back here because there's another one here somewhere. I don't know where is it. Maybe it's over there, Adam. This is a small creek here, guys. But I saw three big eels. And you don't touch them because it's illegal. Oh, there's another one up there, Adam, I think. I don't know how many eels here. So we're there. Adam, don't scare it. I don't know. Three. I'm a bush girl. Oh, them. I'm just here. Oh. So, yeah. Stop. One thing I like the bush in New Zealand, guys, because it's just safe and quiet, and there's no insects, spiders, anything here that will bite you or hurt you or kill you in the bush. And no one will attack you here because it's quite safe in this area. I just love New Zealand bush because I know that I'm safe. Oops, sorry. I can walk on the side of the boat there. That's the creek down there. The creek is turning that side over there. And it's a long creek. And there's a lot of gemstones. But I'm not looking for gemstones at the moment because I already got a lot in the house. I don't need more. I don't want to be greedy. I'm just come here to see the creek. As you can see, the creek is just so beautiful. Let's go, guys, back to the other end of the creek. I'm coming. Sorry. Oh, it's going. Video it. My arms is a little bit sore. What's the name of it? Huh? Huh? Yeah, it's still there.
I'll send it to you.
Not now. I'm busy.
As you can see it.
That's alright. Okay, so
Okay. I was going to say still, I was saying because it's got in the bottom there. We're going to make a big thing. Make fly that with the jelly here and fly.
aray ko. Aray. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'm concentrating on my this one is right is on the side. On the unit. Are there two of them? Tani, where are you going, Tani? Come back. Come back here. Hello, Tani.